So good morning to all of you MSc first year physics student. So today again welcome to lecture series on our subject is quantum mechanics, and we want to continue our chapter is the angular momentum. And yesterday we have already starting the very important point, so which is the matrix representation of the angular momentum. And in yesterday lecture already we have to see that the matrix representation of the J square operator and JZ operator. In this lecture we want to see the matrix representation of J plus, J minus, Jx, Jy and so on. So this type of operators matrix representation we want to see in this lecture. Okay, so now first, so that is the matrix representation of, or which is the matrix of J plus. Okay, and we have to know that idea which depends on the eigenstate, the eigenvalue formula of the J plus operator, which is nothing but, so J plus of eigenkate of J comma M is equal to H cross of under root of J into J plus 1 minus M into M plus 1, and kate vector of, or kate of J comma M plus 1. So that is the J plus operator which is operates on your M value, so that get M plus 1. So if you see for this, that is the matrix representation, or you have to know that the eigenbasis or eigenstate which is nothing but the kate of 1 1, 1 0 and 1 minus 1, which is varies depends on the values of the M. Okay, and if we see, so that is the J plus matrix. So this is nothing but the relation for the bra vector of 1 1, so that is the eigenstate of the 1 1, and this J plus operator which is also operates on the kate vector of 1 1. Okay, again this bra vector of 1 1 of this J plus vector which is operates on the 1 and 0 eigenstate, and this bra vector of 1 1 which is J plus operator which is operates on the eigenstate of 1 comma minus 1. Okay, so this one is nothing but the J value, and this one is nothing but the M value. Next one, this bra vector of 1 comma 0 or bra 1 comma 0 J plus which is operates on the kate of 1 1. Okay, and similarly as like this 1 0 J plus operator which is operates on 1 0, and as like this. So this is very interesting and very important subject, and if you understanding very clearly, then you got solve very easily. So again the in third column and row, so that the relation which is considered as the bra vector of 1 minus 1 which is J plus operates on the kate of 1 1, this bra vector of 1 comma minus 1. Okay, and this is operates on this J plus operator which is 1 comma 0, and next one is this 1 comma minus 1 this vector, so that the J plus which is operates on the 1 comma minus 1. Okay, so if we doing, so matrix representation of this very similar method to calculate of this. Okay, so that we have to know that formula that H cross into J plus 1 minus M into M plus 1. So very simple method how to calculate of this matrix representation. So it is like this. So here the operator, which operator, so that is J plus which is operates on the kate basis and bra basis. Okay, so that here bra of 1 comma 1, so that is the eigenstate of 1 1, that is bra of 1 0 and bra of 1 comma minus 1. Again kth vector of 1 comma 1, kth vector of 1 comma 0, and again kth vector of 1 comma minus 1. Okay, so see, simple, what is the formula of j plus m, that eigenvalue formula, so that h cross into j plus 1 minus m into m plus 1, and here the m plus 1. Okay, and if we put here the value which is considered as j value is 1, j into j plus 1, so that is the under root of 2 minus m into m plus 1, so what is m value is there, so that is 1, and here 1 into 1 plus 1, so that is also here the root 2, so that is 2 is there, 2 is there, so that multiplication of this bracket, sorry, subtraction of this bracket will get 0, and that's why the value of bra of 1 1 and ket of 1 1 which is going to 0. Okay, again see here the value of or the matrix representation of bra vector of 1 1 and ket vector of 1 0. If we take the j value which is 1, so that is 1 into 1 is what, so 1 plus 1 1 into 1, so 1 plus 1 2 into 1, that is the root 2, and m value is there 0, so that is this bracket is 0, and if your j plus operator which is operates on the m value, so that is nothing but this 0 plus 1, so what is 0 plus 1, that is 1, and j value is 1, so we have to see that eigenbasis of this ket 1 1, sorry, bra 1 1 and ket 1 1, which is nothing but the under root of 2 h cross. Okay, or which is simply like as this written h cross into under root of 2, and again see for this relation bra of 1 1 and ket of 1 minus 1, j value is similar like 2, that is the under root of twice h cross, and this m value is minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, so that bracket is also 0, and that j plus operator of this minus 1, so that is the minus 1 plus 1, this also 0, and this is not possible to get the something value, so that also will be get 0. So like solving of this type of relation, again we have to see that here, so that this m value, okay, and is what here 1, so 1 plus 1 2, so that is wrong, so that also here the value is 0. Again we have to take relation, so that 0 and 0, so 0 plus 1 1, and here your eigenbasis, so that the eigenstate of 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 0, so this is also 0, and again taken here m value is minus 1, so there minus 1 plus 1 is taken 0, and this bra of 1 comma 0 and ket of 1 comma 0, this is possible value of this eigenstate, and j value is nothing but the 1 into 1 plus 1, so that is the under root of 2, so this value is nothing but the h cross into under root of 2, and this value ket of 1 comma minus 1, so this minus 1 plus 1, so that is 0, this is also 0, minus 1 plus 1, so this is also 0, and minus 1 minus 1, okay, this is minus 2, so that's why this value also 0. Okay, so that is the matrix representation of the j plus operator which is operates on the eigenstate, so that your matrix will become here, so that is nothing but the 0 h cross into under root of 2 0 0 0 h cross of under root of 2 and 0 0 0. Okay, and the final representation of the matrix, okay, that is the final representation of this matrix, which is nothing but the j plus operator operates on the eigenstate, okay, 1 1 1 0 1 minus 1, and this is nothing but the this h cross into under root of 2 is taken outside, so that's why the remaining value is 0 1 0 0 0 1, and 0 0 0. So this is the matrix representation of the J plus operator, which is operates on the eigenstate. Okay, so if we understanding this type of simple mathematics, then we have to clear that this concept, how to calculate the or how to show the matrix representation of the J plus operator. Again, we want to see here the next operator or matrix representation of the J minus, and how it is calculate. So again see here, so that is the next type, that is the matrix representation of the J minus operator. Okay, and what is the eigenvalue formula of J minus? So that is the J minus of ket of J comma m. Ket of J comma m is equal to under root of J into H cross into under root of J into J plus 1 minus m into m minus 1, and again the ket of J comma and J comma this J minus operator, which is operates on the m value, and minus operator is there, so that's why that the value of ket of eigenstate, that is J comma minus 1. Okay, and if we show the matrix representation, and this matrix representation is as like this, how to write? Okay, so that is the relation for the eigenstate, so that is 1 1 J minus 1 1 1 1 J minus 1 0 1 1 J minus 1 minus 1. Okay, again as like this, so that 1 0 J minus 1 0. Okay, so this 1 0 J minus 1 1, and this is nothing but the 1 0 J minus 1 minus 1. Next bracket, which is here, so that is the relation of 1 comma minus 1, that is the eigenstate, J minus, which is operates on the this basis, so that is the 1 comma 1 or eigenstate of 1 comma 1. So this 1 comma minus 1, so this J minus, which is operates on the 1 comma 0, and this 1 comma minus 1 of J minus, which is operates on the 1 comma minus 1. Okay, and this type of matrix representation, how it is solved, this J minus of matrix. Okay, we want to see here method. How it is calculate? So that is the J minus operator, which is the operates on the eigenstate of 1 G 1 1 1 0 1 minus 1. Okay, so that is the bra of 1 1, bra of 1 0, and bra of 1 minus 1. Ket of 1 1, ket of 1 0, and ket of 1 comma minus 1. Okay, so main question is the how it is solved. Okay, see what is this J minus operate on this m value, so that get change in m minus 1. Okay, and J value, which is nothing but the 1, so this bracket is nothing but the 1 into 1 plus 1, so that is the under root of 2. If we take here the value of m is the 1, So minus 1 into 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, this bracket gets 0. Here remaining the under root of 2. But main case is here. So what is here? So here the m value is 1. 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. Okay. And if we take here 1, so that is not correct. So that's why the here value which will become here the 0 is there. Okay. Now we want to see next matrix value. Okay, how it is calculate. What is next? So that 1 comma 1 and 1 comma 0, and m value which is taken for 0. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1 and here plus 1. So that's also here 0. And here m value is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, and here 1. So which is not equal, so that also here value gets 0. Okay. Again next, what is there? So that is the relation of bra of 1 0, which is operates j operator, j minus operator, which is operates on this eigenstate of 1 1. Okay. And if we see here 0, okay, and m value here 1. So if we take here 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. And 0 into 0 minus 1, this is also 0. And here 1 into 1 plus 1, that is the under root of 2. So that is here the comes value, that is h into under root of 2. And again simple, next value is 0. Okay. Again if we see here the bra of 1 minus 1 and relation of bra ket of 1 1, the value of 1 m is 1, 1 minus 1 0, so that is not possible. So that's why here also 0. Again take 1 comma minus 1 and here m value is 0. So 0 minus 1 and here minus 1, that is possible value, and in bracket value, so that j into j plus 1, this is the under root of 2, h cross under root of 2, and m value is taken 0. So 0 into 0 minus 1, this is also 0. So that's why here get value the h cross into under root of 2, and here again 0. So this is the matrix representation of this j minus factor or j minus operator, which is nothing but the in bracket of 0 0 0 h cross into root 2 0 0 0 h cross into root 2 0. Okay. And if we this h cross into root 2 is taken outside, so this matrix representation of this j minus, which is nothing but the h cross into under root of 2 in bracket of 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, so this is the matrix representation of the j minus, and we want to calculate the matrix representation value of jx and jy, and how it is calculated. Okay, so first of all we need write down the matrix representation value of j plus and j minus. So what is the j plus matrix representation eigenvalue? So this is nothing but the h cross into under root of 2 into 0 1 0 0 0 1 and 0 0 0. Okay, and matrix representation of j minus, which is nothing but the h cross into under root of 2, and it is given as the 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, and using of this result we want to calculate the matrix representation, or we want to show that the matrix representation of jx and jy. And the matrix representation, that eigenvalue of jx is nothing but the Jx is equal to 1 by 2 into J plus plus J minus. Okay, and which is next value of Jy, which is nothing but the minus I by 2. Okay, because original value is 1 by 2i, this I is getting the numerator, so that is the minus I by 2 of J minus minus J plus. Okay, and using of this result, we want to show that the matrix representation of the Jx and Jy. Okay, see here how it is calculate of this, or how you show the matrix representation of the eigenvalue of the Jx and J minus, or matrix representation of this Jx and J minus. So that is Jx cap is equal to 1 by 2 is taken outside. Okay, and this is nothing but the in bracket of h cross into under root of 2 0 0 0 0 0 0 sorry 0 1 0 again 0 0 1 0 0 0. In between plus sign is there, and plus h cross into root 2 in bracket of 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, and if we doing the addition of this to matrix representation, so this h cross by h cross into root 2 is taken outside. Okay, so that is not h, this is the h cross, so this h cross into root 2 is taken outside, divided by this 2 is also there, and here the addition of these two matrices, which is the 0 plus 1 0 plus 0 0 1 plus 0 1 and 0 plus 0 as like this, and doing this addition, so this matrix will be here, so 0 1 0, okay, 1 0 1 and 0 1 0. Okay, so this is the matrix representation of the Jx. Here root 2 is there, this root 2 is get cancelled, and this 2 is get cancelled, so that the final result of this, the matrix representation of the Jx, which is nothing but the h cross divided by root 2 of the matrix of 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 1 0. So this is the matrix representation of the Jx operator. Okay, so this is very simple concept. Now next we want to find out, or we want to show that the matrix representation of the Jy. Okay, and how it is doing. So see here, what is, so this is Jy, and this Jy operator, which is nothing but, okay, what is minus I by 2 in bracket of J minus minus of J plus. Okay, so see here, so Jy is equal to minus I by 2. Okay, so that the Jx minus matrix representation, which is nothing but the h cross into under root of 2 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 minus this J plus operator, which is nothing but the h cross into under root of 2. Okay, so this is nothing but the 0 1 0 0 0 1 and 0 0 0. Okay, so similarly this h cross into under root of 2 is taken outside, divided by 2 is there. Okay, so this 0 0 0 correct. 0 minus 1, so this is the minus 1, and this is 0. Okay, again this 1 minus 0 is 1, this 0, and 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and this is 0 1 0. Okay, and multiplication of this I is inside, so that is the matrix representation of jy is nothing but the this root 2 and 2 is get cancelled, so that is the I h cross by root 2, or which is nothing but this I is multiplied inside the matrix, so that is the 0 minus I 0 I 0 minus I and 0 I 0. So this is the matrix representation of the jy operator. Okay, so in the next lecture we want to calculate the matrix representation of this jx, or using of the result of the matrix representation of the j square, jz operator, j plus, j minus, and also jx and jy operator. Using of this all matrix representation, we want to show that the joint eigenvectors of the j square and jz, and which can be obtained us by the follow the matrix representation of the jz, and what is the eigenstate and eigenvalue of this, and how it is calculated. So this all of the concept we want to see in the next lecture. So thanking of you.